Just a quick question for you, as someone who's used a bunch of these different platforms, Joe Lister and Inkfrog, what do you think of ours compared to theirs?
Well, as far as I remember, Joe Lister was quite expensive for what it does, but the way that you dive so deep into the eBay backend, and you provide so much to handle everything in eBay in terms of the listings, as you just showed me, that only the templates itself just they are cool, right? The other program was called the Inkfrog. I remember they were just an old school app. I mean, they're just outdated. I mean, maybe the same with the Joe Lister. They just seem outdated. So yeah, I mean, essentially 3D sellers seem to be on the edge in terms of creating listings and all of that. I mean, I used to create some listings directly on eBay because eBay had all those attributes, and I wanted to make sure that we fill it out as much as possible to have better visibility,
Right.
better rankings and all of that. But it seems that you've got all that covered.